All right, so we have here a Salesforce job list around my area, which is Vancouver, Canada. So I'm in Langley City, British Columbia. So Salesforce is really active ecosystem. Lots of organizations are on the Salesforce ecosystem. So I'm just gonna want to show you, like right now is December 17th, 2021. We have a summer 2021 intern software engineer security from Salesforce itself. So this is Salesforce hiring. Okay. So this is an internship on Salesforce. Probably, yeah, it's in Vancouver. So they are hiring. You can see sometimes the listing has a salary range because this is an internship. It doesn't show. So let's check out this one. Salesforce Developer, Amazon. Also in Vancouver, BC. Just posted 16 hours ago. It's a full-time position. So if you are, a Salesforce enthusiast, rest assured that you will have plenty of opportunities out there. So right now, the Salesforce ecosystem has more demand for jobs than there are available talents or professionals out there. So I also see same organizations, keep looking for talents over and over again. And myself, I have countless requests from headhunters, recruiters, requesting or asking me if I am looking into any new opportunity, to get a new job. Well, I personally am not looking for a new job because I already enjoy where I am right now. So, and I would love to do, coaching and doing my own thing instead working for another organization. It's just how I'm wired. I'm more, driven on my own. So let's see what else is available. Solution engineer, also Salesforce solution engineer. So this is basically let's read this. Here at Salesforce, we are always hiring solutions engineers. If you're interested in any type of solution engineering role, you've come to the right job posting. We look forward to reviewing your application and finding the right home for you. So what is a solution engineer? So basically, you will be able to guide potential new client of Salesforce that are going to, explore Salesforce as a possible new CRM. You will be able to, explain the advantages of the Salesforce platform and what kind of cloud services this new potential client can make use of, things like that. Bring confidence to the Salesforce platform. We have Salesforce admin from Canada Drives 2 days ago. Marketing Cloud Engineer. This is 3 days ago. Salesforce Developer remotely from VMware. Wow, pretty interesting. Just 2 days ago, full time. Let's see how much this one makes. Nope, we don't have a salary range. Let's go back. Did I click on salary range for this one? Yep. So 68K to 100K. What about this one? Solutions engineer. 100K to 110K, or this 60 to 120K. So it's, the range varies quite big there. But yeah, when you are on the Salesforce ecosystem as a professional or a talent, you will never be running out of projects or job opportunities out there. Yeah, so keep on learning, keep on growing. Even most of the people who are getting my Salesforce classes, the majority of them already has a job. So it's on the job training. So most likely, if you are on the Salesforce path, you will quickly get a new job if you're looking for a new opportunity, because there's so many jobs available out there. Look at this. It's all just 1 day ago, 3 days ago, 2 days ago. Developer, CPQ. What is this? Mason Frank. This is a headhunter, recruiter as well, account executive. So you can look for your own area wherever you are. So, yep, pretty exciting, right? So, I'm gonna keep on posting more recent opportunities, maybe once in a week or 2 weeks. But there you have it, the most recent one. But this is only on my area. All right, keep on learning. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.